Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm John. Today we're going to install a cool new product from Choogbox. These are Honda Monkey seat bolt adapters. I'm not going to go over the product in this video because I've already done so in my new series, What's on the Bench. So look for the video, the What's on the Bench episode video for the Choogbox seat bolt adapters, and that'll be my kind of review or overview, not review because I haven't got them on the bike yet, but overview of the product and a good close-up look at it. So I'm not going to spend the time to do that here. Check out that video. I'll try to put it up here for you to link to it. If not, I'll put it in the description. So really quickly, the point of this product is to make a quick release mechanism to get the seat off the Honda Monkey. What led me to these is the permanency of them. They're bolted in and they're quick. You don't have to undo it with a wrench or anything or a socket. This is a pretty easy install. You're basically going to need to have four things maybe. First thing is an 1/8 inch drill bit. Second thing is a 13th 64th inch drill bit, I think. 13/64. Then you're going to have to deburr the hole that you make. And then after that, you're going to maybe throw some Loctite on it or something. All right, so enough chatter. Let's get working on the bike. Okay, so the installation of the Choogbox Honda Monkey seat mount adapters is complete. The process is pretty straightforward. As you can see, I ran into trouble with my measurement, the 3/16 measurement. That's supposed to be from the edge of that frame inwards. Somewhere along the way, I flubbed that up. I don't know where. It must have been with the Sharpie or something. However, it came out to where it didn't line up properly, so I had to wallow it out a little bit. Not a big deal at all. It was just kind of a pain. I just had the right size file, luckily, and got it in the right spot, and then I was able to get that screw into there and seal it down. The other thing is that the directions call for a center punch to, knock that little starting point for the drill bit. I didn't have one of those handy, so I just used a cheap little screwdriver. Basically, you just want to have a little starting point for your drill bit so the drill bit doesn't walk around. Basically just make a divot in the powder coat in the frame. So that's really not a big deal. So my initial impressions are it's a nice little system. It's handy to be able to pull that seat off when you want, especially if you don't have the ABS stuff in there like my bike, and you can actually use that as storage. So hopefully you enjoyed the install. It's pretty easy. I thought it was going to be about 5 minutes, and then I had to wallow out that hole, and ended up taking me a little bit longer, but it's pretty quick. Just get in there, and I used a caliper and set it to 3/16, and then was able to measure where the hole was in that way. I guess the other way you can do it is with a tape measure. So that's going to be the only critical part, is where you get that hole. That's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks to Joe at Choogbox for letting me try this product out. He did not pay me to install this product or to use this product. He simply asked if I wanted to try it out. So that's what I'm doing. Always willing to try out new products on the Monkey, especially cool little kind of widgets and gadgets like this. And we'll see how it works out. So thanks for watching. See you next time.